Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial on how to use the Projectivity app, and let's just get right into it. Okay, let's click on the Use App Beta button up on the top right. That will take us to the Projectivity app, and here we're going to want to create a new project. It's very simple. Create a new project. You type in a name. Let's do Projectivity. Here below, you have several templates that you can choose from. These are already pre-made by the Projectivity team. You have content, social, Google Ads, and e-com listings. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to choose blank. I'm going to click Create. And here you get to the main area of the Projectivity app. You can see the project description here. You have the owner. You can see who owns this project, Jaffa Boy, that's me. You have the balance area where you can see how much committed funds are to the project, how much has been paid, the rewards, and committed tasks. You can add funds here in the funding balance over here, or you can remove funds. And here on the right, you can see your total balance that you have in your account. So in order to create a task, we're going to click the first board, the gray button here. You click the new task button, and here you type in the tasks that you want your freelancers to work on. Let's say graphics, for example. And how much do you want to pay the freelancer? It's very important here. Let's say $200. Let's say you want to give the freelancer a bonus. Let's say $100 if they finish the task by the end of the week. Team rewards, you can put in also a number here. If you have a group of freelancers that you're working with and they're working as a team, you can create an incentive for the team to work together and faster. And it's up here on the add description button, you can actually write the description of the work for the freelancer. Let's just for example, just graphic work. And you can add a file here if you want. Let's say you want to upload an image or another document to attach to the freelancer. Here's very important. You want to assign to the freelancer that you are working with. I'm going to put my friend Aviv here. And you click Create Task. Oops. It's important here that you want to put a schedule. Let's say the start date will be today, the 28th of December. And you want the task to be finished by, let's say, Friday, the 31st. And then you go below, click Create Task. Okay, there you go. Created the task. And it's simple as that. And you can click on the task. You can click Share. You can copy the link, send it to your freelancer. They can review the project, the rewards, the contractor fees. And it's really simple as that. Thank you so much for joining us, and we look forward to having you use our app and enjoying it. And if you have any questions, you can go down to the right below, schedule time to speak with us, and we will set a time. Thank you so much for joining us.